Hello viewers, today I would like to show you how to create and use Facebook avatar. Let's get started and follow the steps. Open the Facebook app and log into your account. Tap on the three horizontal lines icon at the top right corner. Scroll down the page and tap on See More option. Tap on the avatars option. Select your preferred skin tone and tap Next. Now customize your avatar by selecting the hairstyle, face shape, eyebrows, eye, nose, lips. Lastly, choose the body type and outfit. Once you are satisfied with your customization, tap on Done in the top right corner of your screen. Once the screen finishes loading, tap Next. Here you can find different versions of your avatar. Tap Next. Your Facebook avatar is now ready to use. You can post your avatar by selecting one of them, or you can simply skip it. In comments section, you can use your avatar and send. That's it. Thank you for watching.